Ramirez runs up into this one, left, right, a squib kick, and we're underway from week 4. Fielded by TJ Davis. He's got a little bit of blocker. He's got a hole at the right side. TJ Davis tripped up, still on his feet. TJ Davis stumbling down inside the 5. He got one man to beat. It was Ramirez, and he just got tripped up. Short field for the Blizzard offense to start.
They were just talking about how that backup quarterback play can come.
Ball on the right hash. Myler takes the snap, fakes the handoff, and keeps it. Myler over the goal line. He's in. Touchdown, Green Bay. Big-bodied runner, Max Myler, takes on the teeth of the Tulsa defense and scores 6. Clark splits back in the backfield. 3 receivers to the far ear screen. They come back in high motion. Myler hands off to Clark up the middle. He's got a hole. Clark bowling over defenders. Takes a big hit short of the 20-yard line, but second and short coming up. Kimo Clark, he's the league-leading touchdown scorer. He's had 9. Clark in the backfield, 3 receivers to the right, and they stay on that side. Snap to Myler, drop back, 4-man rush over the middle pass. Caught Patron into the end zone. Touchdown, Green Bay. Lowell Patron getting active on that drive and gets the Blizzard back in the end zone from Myler.
That's for the Oilers.
Receivers in forward motion, snap to Edwards, drops back, 3-man rush. Looks downfield, broken up by Kevin Ransom as he was looking for Juju Augustine. Augustine open on the comebacker, but Ransom, play clock, rolling it on 5, receivers in forward motion. Myler takes a snap, 4-man rush, looking downfield, pass caught, TJ Davis for the Blizzard offense. Receivers in forward motion, snap to Myler. 3-man rush, he takes off and runs. Myler loses the football, picks it back up, and he's in the end zone. Touchdown, Green Bay! Near disaster, turn to 6. One at the bottom, that's McClurge. Rogers in the backfield next to Edwards. He takes the pitch out. Rogers takes a big hit by Tremont Lofton. 2023 IFL Defensive Player of the Year. Welcome to Green Bay.
Yeah, it was a great play by Lofton.
Myler sends the receivers in forward motion. Another empty look. 4-man rush. Myler spins away, evades. Still on his feet, looking downfield. He's got Ballard in the end zone. Plucks it over the top. Touchdown, Green Bay! Taylor Hawkins back in coverage. Mr. Sports Center. Just mosses him.
Yeah, welcome back, Harry Ballard. First touchdown this season. And that's got to feel good for number.
Tulsa driving. First and goal from the 6-yard line. Edwards sends the receivers in forward motion. Pitches out to Sauce Rogers. Rogers brought down at the 5. Now finds themselves behind the 8 ball. Snap to Myler. Looking deep. TJ Davis into the end zone. Touchdown, Green Bay. The fade route from QB to QB. Blizzard back on top with 43 seconds to go.
Yeah, QB1 to QB2.
This one about 45 yards out from the left hash. High snap placed down by Myler. Mevis's kick on the way, has the line. It is good! For the Ballard and Lewis in forward motion. Snap to Myler. Fake pitch out to Clark. Myler evades pressure. Sidearms pass caught. Clark out of the backfield. Touchdown, Green Bay! Kimo Clark. He can get things done in the receiving game, too. Myler sends the receivers in forward motion, takes the snap, fakes the handoff. Myler looking downfield, pass caught. Harry Ballard inside the 20. They keep things live, and he's finally marked down by Hawkins and Bembry. And Harry Ballard getting involved on this drive. First down, Green Bay.
Yeah.
Myler hands off to Clark again, up the right side, steps back, has the goal line. Is he in? Touchdown, Green Bay. Kimo Clark keeping this thing rolling. Blizzard have 50. Receivers in forward motion. Snap to Myler. A handoff to Clark up the middle. He's got blockers up through the middle, and Clark spun down inside the 20-yard line of Tulsa. Green Bay continuing to move offensively. And Casey, at what point? Myler sends the receivers in forward motion, takes a snap, hands off to Clark up the middle. Clark sidesteps again. It's patient running by Chemo. Clark, does he have the push? He does! Touchdown, Green Bay! This offense hasn't given up yet. Now, he's lining up into this one. He might be sending it away. Mevis looks to connect. Does he have the line? He does! Andrew Mevis ties it!
Mevis, once again, unbelievable, ties up this ball game, 61 apiece, and that was right down the middle.
To Myler's left, receivers in forward motion. Snap to Myler, three-man rush. Downfield shot has Davis, who cuts back. Davis down inside the 10. First and goal from the 8. Myler drops back. He's got a hole to run. Myler to the end zone. He's in. Carter, high snap. Myler placed it down. Kick is good. Tied at 68. Tulsa Oilers. Edwards drops back. Three-man rush. Pressure's on. Pulls it back down. Throws it away. 18 seconds left. Empty backfield. Snap to Edwards. Three-man rush. Edwards rolling out. Loses the football. It's loose. It's still loose, and it's picked up by Green Bay. Excuse me, by Tulsa. Timeout called by Tulsa.
We are now going into overtime.
Oh, goodness. Well, you had to guess. Extra time will be needed to decide this one. College timing rules in effect. Early favorite for game of the year. First and goal from the 9. Tied up at 68. Edwards pitches out to Rogers. Met in the backfield, no gain. Not many stops on third down in this one. Edwards rolling around. He's hit. He's sacked. Allen Henry. And fourth and goal and very long. 33 yards away. Snap down. Kick blocked. It's loose. Picked up by Gervin Hall. Blizzard take over. Unbelievable. Empty backfield for the Blizz. Snap to Myler, three-man rush. Myler, end zone, caught TJ Davis. Does he have the end zone? He's marked down at the 1. Davis was reaching for the end zone. Receivers in forward motion. Snap. Kept. Clark. Touchdown, Green Bay! Chemo Clark wins it for the Blizzard! Are you kidding me?
The Blizzard win it in overtime, 74-68, and